Hello everyone, you're watching SQL for data analysts and data scientists, and current topic for this lecture is full outer join, and this is lecture number 27 given by myself, Shanaz Malik. And let's quickly jump into the core of this lecture. So the full outer join returns all records when there is a match in left or right table records. Okay, please note a full outer join can potentially return very large result sets, hence it could be slow. I mean, say query could be slow. Full outer join and full join are the same, and the syntax is here. If you can just check this, very simple: select columns from table 1, full outer join or full join table 2, and then you give the keys, and you can put condition and so on. Well, I thought to explain full outer join or full join, I think it's better to show you graphically rather than executing a query, and I think that way it will be more helpful and more understand. You can grasp the what's happening behind the scene, and then you can always set a query. And I think by now you should be able to write your own queries and see how things work. Okay, but let me explain you. So here is a table 1. It has 2 columns, X and Y, with some records as given here, and you have table B with X and Z column and with some records. And if you full outer join these two, table A, table underscore A, and table underscore B, the full the output will be like X, Y, and XZ. Okay, you get all columns. And then if you see, you have a match here. So on 2 is here and 2 here, so we have a match. So what will happen? It will take this XZ, okay, 2D, okay, put here, and whatever is matching in another table, it will put here. Okay, so we have a match. So 2B is matching, sorry, 2 is matching with 2, and then so it's 2B and 2D. Okay, so then the next one is you have 1A. okay, so 1A. So do we have any ones here? We have any ones here? No, we don't have a match here. So what will happen? 1A will be as it is, and there will be null in the other fields. Okay, and then if you take 4C, so 4C, so do you have any 4s here? No, so 4C will be taken from here, put here, and there is nothing, no matches, so it will be as null. And then you have 5F. okay, you have 5F. okay, and there are no matches. If you see, no 5s are here. So then basically what will happen, so 5F will be here, and then if you see, there are nulls in the field. So remember, because this is a full join, all rows, both matching and non-matching from both tables, are including in the output. There is only one match between table underscore A and table underscore B, so only one row of the output displays value in all columns, and that is this one. Okay, all remaining rows of the output contains only values from table A, table underscore A or table underscore B, with the remaining column sets to the missing values, as I have shown you here. Okay, I think there's no point to open SQL Server Management Studio and show you this query. You can just write here this query of your own and just try and see how you are doing with the skills. And if you face any difficulty, just come back to me, and I will then set a query for you guys, and we can execute. But I think that you should take a task in your hands now, write some queries and see how this full join or full outer join works. Okay, I leave it as a task for you. And with that to say, if you like this explanation, please subscribe and connect to my account if you haven't until now, and please hit the notification bell so that you get notified as soon as I upload new videos. I hope to see all of you in next video. Until then, thank you all for watching Data Analytics Professionals, and remember, sharing is caring. And with that, it's time to say goodbye. Stay safe.